Every industrial journey begins quietly, rooted in the soil. Human hands still lead the first step of scale. The harvest exposes what lies beneath.
Starch-rich roots meet open air. Volume begins to take shape.
Quality control starts before machines exist. Preparation is already logistics.
Movement defines the next phase.
The factory already calls from afar.
Scale is built one lift at a time. Measurement anchors the process.
Every batch earns an identity.
Power replaces muscle.
The raw journey accelerates.
Origins remain behind, unseen.
Time and distance compress. Industry waits patiently. From field to facility, the path is set. The road changes, but the cargo remains the same.
Distance collapses under momentum. Human focus guides industrial flow.
Supply chains converge on common ground.
Scale reveals itself in numbers. Destination becomes unmistakable. Agriculture meets infrastructure. Control begins at the perimeter. Every entry is accounted for.
Traceability never stops.
The factory breathes inward.
Order replaces open roads.
Mass becomes data. Inputs are locked in.
Systems prepare for intake.
Authorization granted.
Raw material meets the threshold. The factory takes over. Scale defines the modern food industry. Every arrival follows a practiced rhythm.
Precision starts before processing.
The journey pauses at the gate.
All right, the controls for this bay are right there. Responsibility transfers hands.
Verification protects the system.
Machines wake in sequence. Raw material reveals itself. Volume becomes controlled flow. Cleanliness begins immediately. The factory absorbs its input.
Human oversight never leaves.
Paths are engineered with intent. Paths are engineered with intent. Inside, consistency replaces daylight. The first transformation awaits. Timing is calibrated. Flow resumes without pause. Now, the raw meets refinement. The first cleanse removes the field from the factory. Ocean and water do the work.
What's removed never returns.
Clean surfaces reveal uniformity. Redundancy ensures purity. Only the usable proceeds. Waste is isolated immediately.
Human judgment refines automation.
Standards are enforced in real time.
Consistency prepares transformation. Efficiency closes the loop. Cleanliness becomes visible.
The next layer comes off.
Surface gives way to core. The starch-rich heart emerges. Verification continues. Clean means ready.
Preparation is complete.
Transformation begins now. Solid form gives way to motion. Force reduces structure. The root becomes liquid mass. Volume reforms in a new state. Uniformity is engineered. Hidden value comes free. Texture determines destiny. Nothing is wasted. Purity flows forward. Time becomes a tool.
Gravity separates value.
Only the essential remains.
Form returns slowly.
Harvest repeats indoors. Moisture must leave. Pressure replaces time. Density increases. The foundation is set. The foundation is set. Heat waits its turn. Transformation continues. Heat reshapes what pressure prepared.
Moisture is driven out, not invited.
Water exits, structure tightens.
Airflow completes the exchange.
Experience validates instrumentation.
Transformation is measured.
Balance replaces intensity. The material is ready to fracture. Reduction resumes. Only precision advances. Air becomes a conveyor. Infrastructure carries invisibly. Flowability is engineered.
Stability is confirmed.
The transformation is complete.
Now, machines take full control. Automation replaces repetition. Decisions happen in milliseconds.
The factory thinks from here.
Data becomes command.
Digital intent becomes physical action.
Every gram is known.
Errors are corrected before they exist. Errors are corrected before they exist.
Consistency is enforced mechanically.
Tolerance is unforgiving. Nothing escapes specification. Safety is non-negotiable.
Protection is always armed.
Verification never stops.
Quality travels parallel. Traceability is permanent. Human oversight remains essential.
Stability is visible.
The final refinements await. Refinement now works in fractions. Uniformity is engineered gently. Stability is calibrated precisely. Numbers define readiness. Consistency requires patience.
The line resumes.
Tolerance tightens one last time.
Human eyes confirm perfection. Small additions protect large volumes.
Integration completes the blend.
Texture becomes identity.
Control extends beyond touch. The system finds balance.
Verification takes priority. Proof is collected.
Quality now speaks. Verification enters a controlled world. Contamination is never invited.
The same hands, higher precision.
Identity is confirmed.
Testing begins with accuracy.
Stability is quantified.
The process holds.
Consistency is visualized.
Variation stays contained.
Purity is not assumed.
Safety is proven, not promised.
Authorization is granted.
The batch earns clearance.
Quality unlocks movement. Proof is archived. Control returns to scale.
Now, the product takes form for the world.
The product prepares to leave the factory.
Precision now meets presentation. Consistency continues to the final inch.
Every package is verified.
Traceability leaves a mark. Automation handles repetition flawlessly.
Units become shipments.
Scale takes physical form. Protection for the journey ahead. Finished goods wait in order. The cycle prepares to repeat. And this is how modern factories produce cassava flour from start to finish.